Yo, what is going on? It is Thursday, June 4th, 10:47 a.m. Today hit hard mentally. No trades, no trades. But I faded two setups that both played out, and this is a constantly reoccurring situation that I see over and over again, and it's just boiled down to confidence. Confidence here, confidence here, confidence just here, and on the charts, of course. You know what I mean. Um, yeah, just that's what it boils down to, and if I don't get that, then it's gonna be these constant issues going over and over again. So yeah, I've got work that needs to be done. There's really no reason at all for me to even be lacking confidence in myself and my ability to trade. But I'm down to it that this is the last puzzle piece for me. Um, Once I get this confidence, like this confidence block to achieve, then I know where I can go. Like I know my potential. I'm just I'm just lacking that belief within once I do get on the charts, and it's fear, and fear stems from the lack of confidence. You know, if I was, to put it in the basketball terminology, if I pull up to some pro runs, but I know I have the ability, I'm not gonna be scared of anybody on the court. If I'm a fucking professional fighter, but I know I have that ability, I'm not gonna be scared of my opponent. Right now, it's like I have the ability, but I'm scared of my opponent, and that can't be the case. I'm just continuously lacking the belief within because there were two setups today that I thought of in my head. Two setups today that both played out and I didn't take. Two setups today that I lacked the confidence in, and this isn't even just about today. This is a constant, ongoing thing. Um, but I want to make these two setups the ones that change the future. Even if I'm gonna come on here again and again and again continuously and have to repeat that, like, oh, I lacked confidence. Oh, I made the mistake, right? Like I have been. That's been my fucking issue. I'm just, there's always just gonna be that positive manifestation in the back of my mind to make change and speak these things into existence. That's what it'll be. But as far as today goes, let's just talk about those two setups because honestly, I'm mentally checked out after all this. Um, but let's get into it, right? So coming into the day, we just had no draws below, to be honest, and then just more so draws up here. Even on ES had just a lot more up here. It was a lot of equal highs all the way up here. Um, so right at open, we should have swung lower. Let me get off the 30-second and get on the 1 minute. So we left this 925 gap and we swung lower, swept out this 830 data low, which really didn't have much volatility, CBH, but it had more than everything else in pre-market. And then we immediately V-shape recovered. This would have been the setup, and it would have gotten filled on M and Q. I think I still have it marked out over here. No, I don't. But this gets filled on M and Q. To the tick, it gets fucking filled. So yeah, this gets filled to the tick. TP right in here. Stop loss right under the gap. This would have been the trade. It would have been risking like 4. Yeah, see, that would have been the trade. Why didn't I take it? I thought that this was still part of the Judas. Like I just genuinely thought like this was the Judas swing higher, and we were gonna end up failing. But the drawn liquidity was there, just an hourly gap, and then we still had like, at this point we still had. Oh, this is what I meant to say. Wait, ES had all that. We still had like London high above on ES and all of that, so that's why it should have honestly been taken. Then immediately after that, this is another one that I faded. So reacting off of that hourly gap, we just start shitting the bed down. We still have this internal 930 low. I don't believe we were SMT'd or anything. Let me just mark it out as sell side, right? So I don't believe we were even SMT'd, or anything. Let's go back and just check. Let's just go back and check, just to be safe. Cause I don't know. I don't believe we were SMT'd. Maybe no, we won't. Maybe were we SMT'd? I don't know. Let it load, cause that makes it just way easier. I know we were SMT'd right here. No, there was no bullish SMT. So right, so then you get the inverse here. Oh shit. Inverse. Oh no, it doesn't inverse, but I forgot that. Yes. So it tags a 30-second gap, and what does it do immediately after tagging the 30-second gap? Respects it. So then, I would set my limit just a little bit below the gap because that's how it's been working out recently. So sell limit, get tagged in to the fucking tick, and it just, it hits TP. It would have hit TP just immediately. And after that, I kind of just like felt like I was fucked up. I'm like, yo, why am I not doing it? So then I seen this setup, this 1 minute up here, just to take it to this internal buy side. But I didn't want to see this buy side SMT'd. I wanted to see it reacted to, because now we created this internal SMT, which I liked, with the 930 low, and we started reacting pretty nicely. I thought honestly on this leg we were gonna get it. I thought right here we were gonna get it. If we got it right here, can I go back, please? I'm moving my mouse. If we got it right here, I was gonna 100% still take it. I would have thought that the momentum would have helped us break through this SMT, but then we just never got it. And when we did get it, I honestly wasn't crazy confident in it. There was a lot backing it up, like a lot, but a little bit. Like, okay, we reacted out of this new 5 minute that formed, right? So boom, I think we inverted this 5 minute as well. Why is it going? Oh, because I had it playing out. So yeah, wait, I want to see if on the inversion candle. Okay, yeah, so the 1 minute inverted perfectly. I would have just gone break even pretty easily and simply, I'm not gonna lie. So this is a market order. Boom, to TP right here, stop loss right here, right? So why didn't I take this? I don't know. I was mentally checked out. I wanted to see this gap inverted sooner. I didn't think that this now had probability. This high was already also SMT'd, where ES had already ran the high. The probability just wasn't there for me. There's no strong break-even point. There's no strong drawn liquidity up here. It was already taken. We don't really have much left that was like within range. Like ES, well, London high was still about 175, 180 away, and then PM highs was still kind of far on ES. So this would have been a break even. Oh, shit. So I would have been edged right there. Comes up, go break even, and then boom. And after that, I just got off. Like, now it's just chop. Like, if we take a look right now, it's just chop. So yeah, man, just got a lot to work on as far as confidence goes. But like I always say, I'm willing to come on here each and every single day admitting to a flaw and saying that I failed, before I am going to come on here one day and be like, hey, I quit. So that's what it is, and that's the mindset everybody should have in life. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. Peace, love, positivity.